The world of excavating can be a jungle. Logs, loose seals, faulty bearings, danger at every turn. That's why we at Stratton Slewing pride ourselves on being the best. Trained professionals to guide you through the excavating wilderness. Stratton Slewing. Stability, integrity, pride.
Hi, I'm Philip and we're Stratton Slewing Company. We were employed by PTE Hydraulics to design with them a slewing system for their main customers, Atlas Heavy Engineering. A slewing system is a mechanism which will allow an excavator bucket to rotate 360 degrees.
For us to probably get a start to a working prototype which we can develop, and for you guys hopefully to learn on a few aspects of industry and applying some of your knowledge.
The overall aim of the project is to create a design for a 3-ton excavator. The design needs to be capable of full 360 degree rotation, to be compatible with existing PTE produced tilt actuators, and compatible with quick hitch excavator attachments.
The scope focuses on the mechanics of the system, including gear sizing, material selection, and manufacturing methods. Exclusions from the scope include the design of a control system for hydraulic movement and design of interfacing parts such as the quick hitch system.
My name is Philip and I'm the team leader of the Slewing Drive. The problem was defined and the scope of the project has been set. My role as team leader will be to keep us on scope and ensure the team goals are being kept. We have several objectives we wish to achieve and standards we wish to adhere to, which I need to ensure are being kept. These goals cover technical, professional, client and team objectives. We have comprehensive client goals for the project. Apart from ensuring satisfaction of both PTE Hydraulics and Atlas Heavy Engineering, we are aiming to manufacture and test a prototype of the design with PTE Hydraulics. This requires us to set and keep deadlines which suit all parties. Our technical goals are creating a holistic design of high quality and adherence to standards. The feasibility of the project needs to be constantly assessed by the team leader with the guidance of the team to ensure that the deadlines have been set and are achievable. The client needs to be satisfied with our progress. Furthermore, we wish to uphold a high standard of professionalism throughout the project. For this, we use standards set by our institutions, mainly Engineers Australia. With a project of this size, it is easy to be sidetracked by unimportant detail or work that is not within our objectives to investigate. As team leader, it is important to ensure that I keep everyone stayed on track to meeting their deadlines, keeping and ensuring manufacturer and customer satisfaction and high quality and relevance of work. The team roles were designed with use of a Belbin questionnaire to investigate personal team working qualities, which can help identify strengths and weaknesses of each member. Through identifying strengths and weaknesses and setting roles, an effective team dynamic has been established. The roles we have designed are team leader, PTE liaison, chief design engineer, and development coordinator.
Hello, my name is Joe Kneinberg and I hold the role of PTE Liaison Officer at Stratton Slewing Co. My main obligation is to ensure that clear and effective communication is upheld at all times between PTE and the design team, and additionally with the client, Atlas Heavy Engineering. Gavin Kennedy is one of the senior project engineers at PTE and is our point of contact for this project. The main method of communication that will be employed throughout the project will be via email, and if immediate contact is required, mobile phone.
I'm happy with emails. It's recordable. You don't have to write things down. You can refer back to them.
I'll be utilising these mediums to relay any questions that the design team has following group meetings and give Gavin a progress report since our last contact. These tasks of course require me to take notes of any necessary correspondence during group meetings. From our very first meeting in week 1, I've been in contact with Gavin and ensured that our visits to PTE at Acacia Ridge and Atlas Heavy Engineering at Narangba were a convenience for all parties involved. These consultations were very successful and informative of the client's demands. For example, after a sit down with Stuart McGregor, on our visit to Atlas on the 10th of May, we were informed that they require interchangeable interfaces, something that was not included in the design brief. Our multiple visits out to PTE at Acacia Ridge were very informative, giving us a sound impression of the existing manufacturing tools that we will be able to utilise with our design. Just a couple of the secondary requirements of my role include the assistance of research and development with James and design challenges with Matt. This ensures that I have sound technical knowledge of our design and am able to relay the progress of our design onto Gavin successfully.
I have no complaints in regards to your communications.
Hi, my name is Matt Lee and I'm the Chief Design Engineer here at Slewing Drive. My focus for the design project for PTE Hydraulics is the configuration and component design of the major units. As lead engineer, I'm also particularly involved in the quality control for the design and report. I will communicate closely with James, the research and developer, to review substantial prior art of existing systems to create and modify solutions for a new design of PTE's requirements. I will also come up with a design for the prototype to be manufactured and tested later on. Stratton's main technical objectives are based on PTE's goals for the configuration, which are more compact design and ideally lower weight for their existing interface. They also require a rotor slewing unit to implement with a current tilt rotor unit, and finally require the design to be compatible with existing systems. The team must also design a new set of interfaces for the ear attachment such that it is suitable for use both on the tilt actuator and rotor slewing unit individually and also combining their functions. The major components we will be designing are the slew drive, the worm gear, the seals, slewing ring housing, slew rotor, slewing ring, bearings, and a rotary oil feed through. Crucial points to consider for the design are wear, geometry, interface of major components, cost of the parts that have to be outsourced, and the significant stress states on all the major components. To meet the safety requirements, the team will also use FMEA and risk assessment standards to forecast possible problems and solutions.
Hi, I'm James Stephenson and I'm the Research and Development Coordinator for Slewing Co. This is a key role for the project as it will ensure our product is up to standard with modern technologies and will be competitive in its field. Mainly, I will be researching our competitors, such as German company HKS and Engcom, and will be identifying their products' strengths and weaknesses. My role will be to also research the best technology and resources that are viable for our design scope. This will be accomplished through extensive research of our competitors and our components relating to our design. This includes the worm gear, hydraulic motors, distributors, and any bearings needed for our design. A good example of development is looking into our new rotary actuator configuration. This new configuration can be seen here from HKS compared to the original design by PTE. This design aims to be more compact and to reduce the leverage on the excavator arm from any external forces on the bucket or attachment. We will also be looking to have an edge of our competitors by offering an interchangeable system between a slewing system, rotary actuator and a quick hitch, specified by Matt earlier. This offers a more customizable product than our competitors. Through this role, I'll have a significant part of the technical side of the design as I will be checking that our design results are adequate to compete in the field. And therefore, we'll be working closely with our design engineer, Matthew Lee.
Hopefully you'll get something out of it and we'll get something out of it.
You've seen what our project is about. You've seen how we intend to complete our objectives. You've seen what each of us will be contributing and our roles in the project. Stratton Slewing is looking forward to having an enjoyable experience with our progression into the technical design phase and having a good time doing it.